Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the InvestEngine app not logging in step by step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A weak or unstable network connection can prevent the app from logging in properly. Next, go to the app and then double check your login credentials and check your password associated with your InvestEngine account. Even a small typo or incorrect capitalization can stop the login process. If you've forgotten your password, tap the forgot password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. Another thing you can try is swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. This will refresh the app and can fix temporary login glitches. Next, head over to your app store or your Play Store, go to search and then search for InvestEngine, and then make sure that you have updated your app to the latest version, because outdated versions can sometimes cause login problems. If the issue persists, restart your phone and try logging in again, and that's how you fix the InvestEngine app not logging in. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.